Have you ever wondered if AI could critique itself and get even better? Why not? OpenAI is using GPT-4 to find the mistakes of GPT-4. Yes, you heard that right. Here, let's explore how CriticGPT is making waves in the AI community. OpenAI recently launched CriticGPT, an AI designed to critique other AI models, specifically targeting errors in code produced by ChatGPT. Why did OpenAI create such a tool? The answer lies in the increasing sophistication and complexity of AI systems like ChatGPT. As these models become more advanced, spotting their mistakes becomes harder for human reviewers. ChatGPT, powered by the GPT-4 series of models, is already incredibly advanced and continually improving through a process called reinforcement learning from human feedback. This means human trainers review ChatGPT's responses and provide feedback, which the model uses to refine its future outputs. However, as ChatGPT gets better, its mistakes become more nuanced and difficult to spot. Enter CriticGPT. CriticGPT, also based on the GPT-4 architecture, was created to help identify and highlight inaccuracies in ChatGPT's responses, especially in coding tasks. Think of CriticGPT as a meticulous detective, examining ChatGPT's output for inconsistencies, factual errors, and logical fallacies. It provides a second layer of review, catching errors that might slip past human reviewers, and the results have been impressive. According to OpenAI's research, human reviewers equipped with CriticGPT outperform those without it 60% of the time when assessing ChatGPT's code output. This means CriticGPT significantly enhances the accuracy of AI-generated code by spotting mistakes more effectively. Training CriticGPT involved a process similar to ChatGPT but with a twist. OpenAI researchers had AI trainers manually insert errors into code generated by ChatGPT and then provided feedback on these inserted mistakes. This helped CriticGPT learn to identify and critique errors more accurately. In tests, CriticGPT's critiques were preferred over ChatGPT's in 63% of cases when dealing with naturally occurring bugs. CriticGPT is not just limited to spotting errors, it also enhances the quality of critiques. Human reviewers often kept or modified the AI-generated comments, indicating a synergistic relationship between human expertise and AI assistance. This synergy is crucial because while CriticGPT is powerful, it's not infallible. It helps humans write more comprehensive critiques while producing fewer hallucinated bugs than if the model worked alone. OpenAI has implemented a method called force sampling beam search to balance the trade-off between finding real problems and avoiding hallucinations. FSBS allows CriticGPT to generate longer and more comprehensive critiques by using additional test time search against the critique reward model. This ensures that the critiques are not just comprehensive but also precise, reducing the likelihood of hallucinations and nitpicks. According to OpenAI, CriticGPT is being integrated into the RLHF labeling pipeline, providing AI trainers with explicit AI assistance. This is a significant step towards evaluating outputs from advanced AI systems, which can be challenging for humans to rate without better tools. By augmenting human capabilities, CriticGPT helps ensure that the data used to train AI models is more accurate and reliable, leading to better performance in real-world applications. OpenAI also highlighted that while CriticGPT enhances human capabilities, it can't completely replace human expertise. Some tasks and responses are so complex that even experts with AI assistance may struggle to evaluate them correctly. However, by working together, human and AI teams can achieve much more than either could alone. This innovative approach addresses one of the fundamental challenges in AI development: the difficulty of evaluating and improving increasingly sophisticated models. CriticGPT not only helps catch more errors, but also improves the quality of human reviews, making the entire RLHF process more effective. OpenAI's development of CriticGPT underscores its commitment to responsible AI development. The organization recognizes the importance of addressing ethical concerns. AI has the potential to be a powerful tool for good, but it's crucial to ensure that AI systems are developed and deployed responsibly. CriticGPT plays a vital role in mitigating biases and promoting fairness in AI. By identifying and addressing potential biases, OpenAI aims to create AI systems that are inclusive and equitable. This dedication to ethical AI development sets a positive example for the industry. As we stand on the brink of a new era in AI, we are filled with a sense of wonder and possibility. CriticGPT is a testament to human ingenuity and our quest to explore the unknown. The future of AI is a shared journey that requires collaboration, open dialogue, and a commitment to ethical development. Together, we can shape an AI-powered future that benefits all of humanity. Let's dream big, explore fearlessly, and work together to create an AI future that is both inspiring and responsible. What will your contribution be? The future is bright and filled with endless possibilities. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and never stop reaching for the stars. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned with TechZnap for more tech insights like this.